Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And people in Florida, hopefully you guys are alright with the hurricane coming through. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Links will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer, including this item. All you gotta do is add it to your cart, and they'll ship it out to you pretty fast. So we'll see what's inside. Good old UPS man came through again. Here we go. Put you guys there. Hold it steady. Steady, Eddie. Now we're gonna cut it. Cut. Hopefully it's easy video to show you guys today, not too long. Definitely take advantage of the Prime specs and free shipping. You might need this, or someone in your family. I want to get this too. Oh man. Now we got the holiday seasons upon us. Christmas is around the corner. Good old Santa Claus. And we got Labor Day weekend going on, so definitely check out, see if they got any good sales going on also. And we have here another box. Yo Matt. Whoa. One love to move more whilst. What the heck? Standing. Alright. So we got a standing mat by Yo. Let's check this out, yo. Alright. Here we go. Pretty cool. This would be good for all you gamers out here. Also, if you're a type of gamer that likes to stand, especially with the VR stuff, this would be perfect for. There we go. And oh boy, got a nice little baggie, nice and protective. Oh, come on out. Nice and soft. Move you around a little bit. Boom. Whoa, look at that. It's a nice color too. Yo. And there's the bottom, super soft. I'm digging it. And there's the back side of it. Check out the material right there. It's really squishy. Yeah, buddy. Definitely your feet will be happy. And if you're in this type of likes to stand, type on a computer, due to the limitation of room space, this is really cool to have. And maybe if you're cooking and you got problems standing on your feet for a long period of time, this would be another great device to use. I'm gonna stand on it. Get on it. See if you guys can see. Oh yeah, I noticed the difference. Oh, this is nice. That reminds me of the cashier days. I used to have one of these mats at the register. See, that's another good thing if you're at a gas station, store owners like party stores. This would be perfect for them too. I think I know what to do with this. But I'm supposed to be getting the Yo desk tomorrow, or as soon as that ships, I'll have the video up for that. So they got a lot of cool standing desks where you can put your monitors on it and all that good stuff. So definitely check these guys out, YouTubers. Really great company. Here it is. But yeah, this is like really soft. Like I said, this would be perfect for store owners that got to stand on their feet all day. So perfect. Check them out, Yo Matt, Amazon Prime. Be safe, have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys soon.